Portugal, located in southwestern Europe, is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and beautiful coastlines. It's famous for port wine, traditional fado music, and delicious cuisine. The country offers a diverse landscape, from vibrant cities like Lisbon and Porto to picturesque villages and sandy beaches along the Algarve coast. The Portugal Visit Visa, also known as the Portugal Schengen Visa, is a travel document that allows non-EU citizens to enter Portugal for short stays for tourism, business, family visits, or other purposes. It is part of the Schengen visa system, which allows travel within the Schengen area comprising 26 European countries without border controls. The Portugal Visit Visa is typically valid for stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. The requirements for Portugal Visit Visa are: to visit Portugal, you may need a Schengen visa, which allows travel within the Schengen area for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. Here are the general requirements for a Portugal Visit Visa. Complete and sign the Portugal Schengen Visa application form. Provide a passport valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay, with at least 2 blank pages. Include 2 recent passport-sized photos. Provide a detailed itinerary of your travel plans, including flight reservations, accommodation bookings, and activities. Obtain travel insurance covering at least €30,000 for medical emergencies and repatriation. Show proof of sufficient funds to cover your expenses during your stay. Provide proof of accommodation arrangements in Portugal. Show you have enough money to support yourself during your stay. Provide a letter explaining the purpose of your visit and your itinerary. Provide evidence of your intention to leave Portugal before your visa expires, such as a return flight ticket. Pay the visa fee, which is typically around €80 for adults and €40 for children aged 6 to 12. The exact requirements may vary based on your nationality and the specific circumstances of your trip. It's advisable to check with the Portuguese consulate or embassy in your country for the most up-to-date information. To apply for a Portugal tourist visa, contact the nearest Portuguese embassy or consulate. Follow these steps. Download and complete the Portugal visa application form from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs website. Gather the required documents. Schedule an appointment to submit the documents. Pay the Portugal tourist visa fee. Attend the appointment with your documents, possibly for a visa interview. Wait for visa processing, typically taking a couple of weeks or longer. Receive notification of the visa decision, if approved. Collect your visa. Travel to Portugal within the visa's validity period. Processing time for the Portugal tourist visa is approximately 15 calendar days from document submission, but this may vary based on document completeness and seasonality. Apply a few weeks before travel, ideally a month in advance. The visa can be valid for up to 3 months, determined by the embassy. There are 2 types of visas: single entry, allowing 1 entry, and multiple entry, permitting multiple entries within the visa's validity, not exceeding 90 days total.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers: Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.